Welcome to Review Lab. The Best Friends Legos is probably one of the most delightful ways to spark creativity and imaginative play in young builders, offering a vibrant world where iconic characters and familiar settings come to life through intricate brick designs, allowing girls to recreate beloved scenes, invent new adventures, and develop fine motor skills while engaging with a universally cherished theme that celebrates friendship and fun. Number 5. LEGO Friends Forest House 41679 Building Kit. Discover a world of peaceful forest adventures with this exciting building kit. It lets kids get lost in imaginative wildlife play alongside LEGO friends Mia and her family. This set includes 2 mini dolls and a micro doll, plus an adorable raccoon figure. It also features a separate kayaking scene, adding even more adventure to their playtime. There are so many ways for imaginations to roam free within this house. They can get cozy in the bedroom, relax in the outdoor lounge, or capture amazing wildlife moments. Kids will love discovering all the intricate details, including a functional toilet for the characters. This house offers endless possibilities for creative storytelling and discovery. Nature-loving kids aged 6 and up will adore this forest retreat model. It's the perfect holiday, birthday, or just because present for little explorers who enjoy immersive play. Measuring over 7 inches high, 7 inches wide, and 4 inches deep, this nature gift takes up little room. It can be kept out and ready for spontaneous play anytime. What we like? This set offers a tranquil woodland experience, featuring a cozy tree house and various wildlife elements for imaginative play. It provides a peaceful escape into nature. If you love the outdoors and immersive storytelling, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? No reviews found in the provided source to extract points from. The source JSON for reviews was empty, so no specific product features could be quoted. Number 4. LEGO Friends Heartlake Grand Hotel. Discover a magnificent 3-story hotel. It's filled with luxurious details and endless possibilities for imaginative play. Ride the working elevator to upper floors, relax by the rooftop pool, or enjoy a treat at the outdoor cafe. This grand establishment also boasts a stylish lobby, a lively jazz bar, and cozy guest rooms. 5 mini doll figures, including Andrea, Olivia, and Stephanie, are ready for adventure. They even bring along adorable dog and cat figures to complete the scene. This impressive model stands over 11 inches high and 12 inches wide, making it a substantial build. It even includes a black cab, perfect for arriving in style. With 1552 pieces, this set offers hours of engaging construction. It's fully compatible with all other LEGO construction sets, allowing for even more creative building opportunities. Designed for boys and girls aged 8 to 12 years old, this kit provides a rewarding and fun building experience. It encourages creativity and storytelling for young minds. What we like? This grand hotel boasts multiple floors and luxurious details, complete with an elevator and various amenities. It provides extensive role-play opportunities with 5 mini dolls. If you enjoy elaborate building projects and creating bustling city scenes, this set is ideal. What people say? Number 3. LEGO Friends Magical Acrobatics 41686. Get ready for an amazing show. This set lets kids who love carnivals imagine they're putting on their very own acrobatic performance. They can perform incredible tricks and stunts. It includes 2 LEGO Friends mini dolls, Olivia and Stella, dressed in their dazzling performance outfits. A charming horse figure also joins the fun, ready to be part of the spectacle. You'll find a vibrant carnival float and a sturdy bar for all the acrobatic action. This creative kit provides everything needed to set up an exciting show. Watch the magic unfold as you pull the float and its wheel spins. The float is also removable for separate play, and a twistable knob allows the mini dolls to whirl around the bar with ease. This playset is an ideal present for boys and girls aged 6 and up who enjoy creative carnival play. It makes a fantastic birthday gift or a special treat for any occasion. What we like? This set brings the excitement of a carnival with its magical acrobatics show and unique spinning functions for dynamic performance play. It encourages creative storytelling and active play. If you like putting on a show and enjoy vibrant, action-packed scenarios, this is a fantastic option. What people say? No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. Lego Friends Horse Training and Trailer 41441. Introduce your child to the joy of construction with this exciting set. It's packed with features designed to spark imaginative roleplay and endless fun. This set includes an adorable horse with a movable head and a sweet foal. Plus, a car with a trailer and cozy stables provide many ways to play. It comes with a grooming kit, jumps, and a training rein. Kids can teach the horse to walk around the ring and care for their animal friends. Experience realistic ranch activities with bays of hay and a pitchfork. They can even clean the stables, just like a real stable hand. Designed for young builders, it includes 2 starter bricks for a quick start. Simple picture instructions make assembly easy, even for those just learning to read. This creative construction toy makes an excellent present for birthdays, Easter, or any holiday. It's ideal for girls and boys aged 4 and up. The car and trailer are perfectly sized for play, and the ranch building is great for display. It fits wonderfully in any play space. What we like. This set focuses on the joy of horse care and training, featuring stables, a car, and a trailer. It's designed with starter bricks for an easy and rewarding building experience. If you are a younger builder who loves animals and nurturing play, this set is a great introduction. What people say. Number 1. Lego Friends Turtles Rescue Mission 41376. Dive into an exciting adventure with this amazing building kit. Kids can construct Olivia's cool amphibious vehicle and a beachside animal clinic for endless pretend play. Follow easy instructions to assemble the set, or let imagination take over. Your child can invent unique turtle rescue missions and bring their own stories to life. This set includes an Olivia mini doll, Zobo the robot, and a sandy play area for 4 adorable turtle toys. They're ready for action and need your help. With an examination bed and medicine area, your little one can express their nurturing side. They can use rescue accessories like a bottle and megaphone to nurse the turtle figures back to strength. The fun doesn't stop here. This 225-piece set can be combined with all other original Lego sets and bricks, opening up even more creative building possibilities. It's a great sea turtle gift for boys and girls aged 6 and up. Give them the joy of building, caring, and imaginative play with this fantastic kit. What we like. This set lets you embark on exciting turtle rescue missions with an amphibious vehicle and a beachside clinic. It encourages nurturing play as you care for the adorable turtle figures. If you are passionate about helping animals and enjoy adventurous rescue scenarios, this is the perfect mission for you. What people say. No reviews provided in the source to extract points from. Please provide source reviews to fulfill the request. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.